Hello, Christy. This is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I'm just going to go through your site really quickly. Then I'm going to go through one of your competitor sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways that you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on the BCC Restoration homepage. Right away, I can see that you guys definitely spent some time and or some money into this. The site looks really good. It's very professional. However, as I scroll through, I'm not seeing a lot of content. Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did do a word counter search and you currently have 345 words, so I would suggest adding in some more content here. You want to make sure that content is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they're looking for. In addition to having enough content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords in your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. A great example of a keyword over here is water damage restoration Vancouver, WA. This keyword brings in 100 searches per month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one single keyword. Beneath the search bar, we have our Google Ads. Google Ads can be a great way to get your name out there and build some brand recognition, or when you want to take advantage of a hot market or promote a special event that you have going on. They're also a great fast leads option for when you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. Beneath the ads, we have our Google Map Pack. The Google Map Pack is extremely important and can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. A citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Angie's List, Home Advisor, those are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. You want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. Also, be careful when you're entering your information onto these directories that it looks identical down to every last character to the information on your Google Business profile in order for it to be counted as a citation. So now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. This should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term ROI. Google has actually come out and said that up to 70% of people, when they type something into the search bar, are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you need to have a lot of high-powered relevant backlinks. A backlink is just a clickable text from one website to the next. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. So you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered relevant sites. For example, if a local plumbing company with a powerful site were to give you a backlink, that would be a really great way to bring more power to your site. Here we can see the first competitor that pops up for this keyword is 1-800-water damage. This is a national company. Over here is Sarkinen Restoration is going to be the first result that pops up for a restoration company based in the Pacific Northwest. Over here, I've hopped onto SEMrush. SEMrush is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me upwards of $300 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. And so here I typed in 1-800-water damage. And so do keep in mind, again, this is a national company. You don't have to outrank their entire site, but you do have to beat them out on their one page that's ranking in Vancouver. But they do have 20,000 backlinks, over 20,000 backlinks for their entire domain from 2,000 other referring domains, and they are ranking organically for 4,222 keywords. And so over here, I have also typed in Sarkinen Restoration, And so you can see they have 58 backlinks from 38 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 150 keywords. Down here, we can take a closer look and see which keywords they are ranking for. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. So down here, we can see all the different keywords they're ranking for, what position they rank for that keyword on Google, how much traffic it brings them every single month, and how many people search for that keyword every month as well. And so you can go through, see which ones fit what you need best, and incorporate the best ones into your content. So now I'm going to go back, and I'm going to do the same thing that I just did with the keywords to their backlinks. And so it's saying they have 58 backlinks. You don't want to just beat your competitors out with the quantity of backlinks. You want to beat them out with the quality as well. And so you can go through, see which ones have a high AS authority score, and you can click on the best ones and see if you can add your website to these different pages. Now you can go through these backlinks, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some more on your own as well. Over here, I've typed in your website into SEMrush as well. Right now, you guys have 14 backlinks from 9 referring domains, and you are ranking organically for 16 different keywords. So it does look like you are going for some pretty good keywords here. They do have buyer's intent, and they are location specific. You do seem to be ranking anywhere from the 3rd to around the 5th or 9th page. But I think you can definitely get rise in the ranks for the right keywords if you incorporate the 3 things I talked about in this video into your online marketing plan, which to recap were number 1, more quality educational content with the right keywords, number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack, and then number 3, you want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so to go back, right now, nobody is finding your website organically. If we go back to Sarkinen, they have 72 people that are just finding them organically, so this doesn't count Google Ads or social media or any of that, just 72. Also keep in mind that they're on the bottom of the first page, and so if you were able to outrank them and outrank the national pages, you could go to the top and get significantly more than 72. Let's say that you were just able to take their spot and you got 72 people visiting your site every month. If you were to close 25% of those clicks into customers, that'd be 18 new customers every single month. Multiply that by the cost of an average restoration job at $2,500. That's $45,000 per month. And then factor in a 50% gross profit margin, and you're at $22,500 per month. So that gives you a pretty good idea of how lucrative having a powerful site can be when it's ranked for the right keywords. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I look forward to speaking with you.